Executor. By following Tassadar and attempting to rescue the Dark Templar, you have openly defied the will of the Conclave. Abandon this mad scheme now, and the Conclave may show you mercy.
Don't let him control you, Executor. The Judicator have long since steered the actions of the Templar to their own ends. It's time we acted of our own accord.
Ah, Tassadar, have you fallen so far? To think that you were our brightest hope, our most beloved son. Now you are everything that we are not. You are lost to us. Not only have you damned yourself, but you have damned those who have followed you.
Such is the price for our race's salvation, Judicator. I have been here with the Dark Templar these last few months. While I helped them in their fight against the Zerg, I learned many of their secrets from the Prelate, Zeratul. Apparently, the energies which empower the Dark Templar also course through the Overmind and its cerebrates.
The same cerebrates which you told us to destroy. Your advice was useless, for the creature was reincarnated before our eyes.
Unfortunately, yes. Your attack on the Cerebrate failed because the energies that you wield are useless when used directly against the Overmind and its Cerebrates. Only the Dark Templar's power can truly harm the Zerg. That is why we must rescue Zeratul and return him to Ire.
You were warned, Executor. The Conclave will not be pleased.
Yes, Executor?
the enemy.
Awaiting instructions.
What now calls?
Transmit. Meteor. Make use of
house for Hadun. What now calls?
Upgrade complete.
Protoss Commander, this is General Edmund Duke of the Terran Dominion Armada. You are in violation of our airspace and have endangered human lives in your reckless attack against the Zerg. I order you to withdraw your ships immediately. If you fail to comply, I will not hesitate to open fire upon your vessels.
General Duke, I am Tassadar, and you are well known to me. Whatever leniency I extended to you and your comrades before may have been in error. If you persist in halting our course, we will burn your pathetic fleet down to the last man.
I'm gonna have to assume that was a hostile response.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Make use of Protoss initiated for vengeance. I have returned
Upgrade complete.
instructions. Transmit. I have returned.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Upgrade complete.
Reading instructions. Isatsu for Hadun. Sanctus. I long for combat. My life for ire. Must serve.
You must construct additional pylons.
My life for ire.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
What now calls? Awaiting instructions. We saw two for a moon. I long for combat. Input command for vengeance. My life for hire.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
I long for combat. What man calls? Kaokola. Honor guide me. Kaokola. Transmit. My life for hire.
Research complete.
My life for hire.
The warriors have engaged the enemy.
She house. Knockouts. Make use of
Upgrade complete. the enemy.
Protoss, make use of me. Initiate. Look high.
Warriors have engaged the enemy.
Make use of me. Confirmed. What that calls? Protoss. I long for combat. Fire repeated.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Thus I serve. House. Fire repeated. I long for combat. Awaiting instructions.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Thus I serve.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
How may I help? Your will?
What man calls?
I hear you.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Fire Protoss. Lock time. Commencing. Formations. Initiating. Lockouts. Protoss. I long for combat. Protoss. Initiating. Receiving. Initiated. Mitora. Lockbody. Initiated.
Your will? I hear you. For Adon.
Receiving. Transmitted.
How may I help? For Adon.
Hey, Sergeant! Sarge! Hey!
You will immediately tell me why you have called me from my desk, Private.
Protoss unit, Sarge! Coming through the South Pass. It looks broke.
Kill it!